Imagine a giant coloring book on your screen, made of millions of tiny squares. Now imagine you had to color every single square, one by one, all by yourself. It would take forever. So how does a video game paint a whole world in less than a blink? So here is the secret. A shader is just a tiny instruction card, a short recipe that says how to color one dot. The computer hands the very same card to a huge army of helpers. Each helper reads the card, colors one dot, and they all work at the exact same moment. Now, who are these helpers? They live inside a chip called the GPU. Think of the GPU as a giant stadium packed with thousands of tiny workers. A normal brain, the CPU, has only a few fast workers. The GPU trades speed for numbers, thousands of small hands, all painting together. But what are they actually painting? Every image on your screen is built from tiny squares called pixels. Zoom in close on any photo, and the smooth picture breaks apart into a grid of solid color blocks. Color each block correctly, and the whole image appears like magic. There are really two big jobs to do. First, vertex shaders move the corner points that build every shape, like pinning the dots of a connect the dots. Then, fragment shaders fill in the color for every pixel inside those shapes. Move the points, then paint the gaps. Let's watch the shape movers first. A 3D model is really just a cloud of corner points connected by lines. Vertex shaders decide where each corner lands on your flat screen. Tilt the model, spin it, stretch it. The corners simply move and the whole shape follows. Now the color fillers take over. For every single pixel inside a shape, a fragment shader runs its recipe and picks a color. One pixel might become bright red, the one beside it slightly darker. Together they blend into shadows, shine, and smooth gradients you barely notice. Here is the real magic. One painter doing 1,000,000 pixels would crawl. But the GPU gives the same recipe to thousands of painters, and they all paint different pixels in the very same instant. That is called working in parallel, many hands, one moment, one finished picture. But how does a recipe know what color to pick? It does not store a picture, it does math. Each pixel knows its position, like a seat in a theater. The shader plugs that position into a formula and out pops a color. Change the formula, change the whole look instantly. Sometimes you want every painter to share one setting, like the time of day or how bright the sun is. These shared values are called uniforms. They are like one big dial that every painter can see. Turn the dial once and all 1,000,000 pixels react together. Now feed the painters one more thing, time. Every frame the clock ticks forward and the formula uses that new number. So a still pattern becomes a rippling ocean, flickering fire, or waving grass. Nothing actually moves, the colors just recalculate, 60 times a second. You have seen shaders everywhere without knowing it. The glow of a fireball, water that reflects the sky, soft shadows under a character, the blurry edges of a dream. Each one is just a clever recipe, run on every pixel, making flat screens feel deep and real. And here is the exciting part. You can write these recipes yourself. A shader is just a short program in a special language. You tell it, for this position, give me this color. Save it, and instantly 1,000,000 painters obey your words. It feels like casting a tiny spell on the screen. So the next time a game world takes your breath away, remember the secret. It is not one artist painting forever. It is one tiny recipe, shared with thousands of helpers, all painting at the same instant. Small instructions, multiplied 1,000,000 times, build the breathtaking worlds on every screen you love. Let's bring it all together. A shader is a tiny recipe for color. The GPU is an army of helpers that run it. Pixels are the dots, vertices are the corners. They paint in parallel using math and time to make worlds feel alive. One small idea, millions of painters.